Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Are you craving a good juicy sirloin steak here in the middle of the winter? Don't have a grill to cook it on? Yeah, me too. Well, I found a couple of tricks that make the steak juicy and tender just like you cooked it on the grill in the summertime. Want to see how? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Now that's a good tender sirloin. What do you think, Wilson? I just beat the steak with a hammer. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.